Hey everyone, Cadams Tech here. So in today's video, I want to briefly go over something that I've been super excited about that I'm working on, called Z1 SuperDev. The idea came from just speaking to so many people in person and via commenting through videos like this, where they are they're discouraged. They think that nobody wants to hire them. They don't know, they need guidance. So it came out of that. So we'll talk about it in a sec. But first, if you're new to my channel, my name is Christopher Adams. I am a senior full-stack AI engineer living in the Denver area. If you found anything of use from this video, remember to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone that you know is interested in learning development. I have a Patreon link down below, and then also the link for Z1 SuperDev. So please be sure to register if you like the idea. All right, so Z1 SuperDev. This idea is essentially this at a high level. I would like to bridge the gap from those that are first learning how to code to being a mid-level AI engineer that is extremely productive in the workplace. That is the goal. And I really do believe that I can build a dashboard which you can launch. And it'll take up half a screen or as much real estate as you want. But this dashboard is there to empower you, to empower the newer dev to go from the first steps or from being a junior to being a really productive junior / mid-level AI engineer. Now, what this will consist of, it will consist of the traditional stuff, so like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, TypeScript, Postgres, Python, the technologies that I know are going to be extremely valuable in the workplace. Learning how to prompt engineer properly, learning how to, and then there's other skills like soft skills, but there's running AI agents, there is communication, there is how to open up PRs, Git. It's going to go over a lot of things that I've never even seen existed anywhere, which is this: how to improve your confidence in the workplace, how to debug code without even using another senior level engineer and actually looking at it with the eyes of a senior or mid-level engineer as a junior. It's going to walk you through all of these little things that are soft skills that aren't really taught anywhere, especially in an integrated all-in-one dashboard like this, where we can have AI agents that are specifically trained on these different areas, help guide you and help get you up to that level of, I don't need to reach out to a coworker for help for this thing because I know and I have my tools here to help me, to help guide me through this process and bridging that gap between being a junior and a super productive mid-level AI engineer. And how do I believe and why do I believe I can actually build this and make this happen? Because I've spoken to thousands of junior level engineers, and both through YouTube comments as well as in person. I ran a once a month monthly meetup called Open Code every single month without missing a single month for 4 years straight. And sometimes I would have 30 or 40 people packed in a room there for that event. And I hosted it, and I spoke to every single one of them, and I spoke to juniors, and I spoke to mids, and I spoke to seniors, and I spoke to people that are hiring. So I know what these little dots are that need to be connected, but there's nothing like this that exists that helps connect these dots. So I think it's time that I step up and I try to make this happen. So I made a concept for it with a pre-registration form on Z1 SuperDev, and I'm going to link it right down here. And if you like the idea, please pre-register, tell anyone you know, and let's try and get this idea growing, because I want to get enough pre-registrations on it to make it worth my while to actually start building it out, because I really do believe I can make it a good system. And I think it's very much needed, both from a junior and mid-level perspective, as well as from an employer, to try and boost and try and incentivize them to hire more juniors. Say, hey, let's get some juniors in here, get them running this dash on one of the screens, get them opening a cursor or another IDE in this other screen, and let's get them productive. And this, I really do believe, will help make you productive. I'm going to show you real quick. Sorry, I'm not going to screen share anything right now, but I will do this. So let me... This is lame, I know, I'm going to film the screen, but it's Z1 SuperDev. We scroll down. It has a bunch of cool stuff. So it says, for juniors and for employers, these are just some of the ideas that I came up with in a matter of not very long, because it was stuff that I know people could really use. So we'll have AI agents helping you walk you through the most important concepts that I know for a fact are the most important concepts from all these different technologies. I know exactly what you need and what you don't need to waste time on, and how to get you up to speed way quicker. Professional skills. Look, confidence building, Scrum basics. We can go through that. So you don't need to reach out and PMs don't need to teach you too much outside the gate. Overcoming struggles, improving efficiency, how to QA your own stuff, and you know what QA might look for, so you don't have to waste their time with them QAing something and then coming right back to you and then them complaining about it because you know why? Because you're a junior. Well, guess what? I'm going to teach you how to avoid that. Interviewing, meeting courtesy, like how to you know look at the camera with your eyes and with the camera on, and how to smile during meetings, and how to show your eagerness during meetings, and things that are extremely important. Planning, how to make to-do lists daily like I do, and what order to create them in, and how to make quick wins on the to-do list to build up your confidence and make you feel good for the day. Pull requests, how to open up PRs and what the the common naming conventions are, and how to lint things and properly to make sure that they don't complain about the way you format code, and just all kinds of stuff that's just right off the top of my head in this video. Learning quickly, so that's basically along the lines of this stuff up here, where I'm saying I'm going to scope it in on what's most important to you. So let's see what else. All kinds of stuff. There's so much stuff that I can come up with for this that I know will be very useful. So I hope you all will go down and scroll down here, and then say if you're a junior and employer, and go ahead and pre-register for it. And I will load up the database that I created and see and hope that this count goes up for people that are actually interested. I'm thinking about making it subscription based, because I do want something that's a subscription based thing, especially for something like this. But I'm going to make it extremely good. I'm going to try as hard as I can to make this a good platform. And I really do want that feedback from people and that says, hey, I think this is really good. I really like it. And I shared it with other people, shared it with my employer, or whatever it is. This is a brand spanking new idea. I haven't done too much with it, but this is day one. So I'm documenting here for you because I'm really going to stand behind this. So, all right, so that's about it. I wanted to show you all that because it's something that I'm super excited about, and I hope you all are too, and show me that excitement through pre-registering, because I think once I get up to, I don't know, maybe like 100 pre-registers or so, I'm going to take it serious and start really building it, and maybe even pitch it at a Boulder-based event this month. So wish me luck. All right, see you all.